Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you that how to fix the DNS Pro finished NX domain in the Chrome. So let's get started our video, but make sure that you watch this video until the very end. So first of all, you have to open your run box by pressing the window plus R at once, and then you have to just press here the CMD. So basically it is to release and renew IP address. After this our problem will be resolved successfully. Now you have to just open your command line interface. Before we proceeding next, I would like to tell you that it also includes flushing your local DNS cache from your Google Chrome. After this your problem will be resolved. For this you have to just type here the special command, which is ipconfig/release, and hit enter. This process will release your current IP address. After this you have to just type in ipconfig/flushdns all in one word. After that you have to just hit the enter, and here you can see that you are successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. After doing this your problem will be resolved. If not, you have to follow other method. So let's move on the other method. You have to just open the control panel and click on the network and internet option here. Now again network and internet. Now we have to click on the network and sharing center here, and it just takes you at this page. You have to just click on this option, and here you have to just select the properties option. After that you will find this pop-up. You have to select this option here, just double click on it. You will find this type of the pop-up. You have to just select the second option of use the following DNS server addresses here. Now in this DNS server you have to put 8888 and again 88, but next is the 44 value here. After just putting here this value, you have to just click on the option OK, and by doing so your IP address has been renewed. If this method also not work on your PC, then you have to follow the next method that I want to guide you. You have to open your Chrome and click on the three dots. Here you have to click on the settings option, and a new tab will be open for you. You have to select the about Chrome option here and click on the update Chrome. Your Chrome will starting to be update. It will take about 2 to 3 minutes. This process may take a while. Make sure that you watch this video until the very end. So guys, our update has been completed. Now you have to click on privacy and security, and then scroll down. Here you will find an option of the clear browsing data. You have to just click on this option here, like I am selecting this one. You have to clear the data, but before it you have to select the time. You have to set it to the all time mode, then clear the data here. So after this process you have to just click on OK. Got it. You have cleared the Chrome data completely to solve the DNS Pro finished NX domain in Chrome problem. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. So don't forget to leave a comment below if you have any question. Give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide for more information. See you again in the next video. Thanks for watching.